Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class continuity exercise 5.1, seen so many problems. So next problem, very important for the 4 marks questions. These are very important for the 4 marks questions. So first question. So question number 26. Okay. Find the values of k. Find the values of k so that the function f is continuous at the indicated points. So 26 is the some other problems are there. 30. Okay. Up to 29 is there. So this function is given. We have to find the k value. Okay. So f of x is equals to k cos x divided by 5 minus 2x if x not equals to pi by 2. X not equals to pi by 2. 3 if x is equals to pi by 2 is continuous at x is equals to pi by 2. Why is not written continuous means already written above now. See, the function f is continuous at the indicated points now. So therefore it is continuous at x is equals to pi by 2. Continuous at x is equals to pi by 2. Pi by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು continuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So therefore it is continuous at x is equals to pi by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ continuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I have to find the here k value is there now. I have to find the k value. Okay. Answer. So first write down this function f of x is equals to like that is continuous. So therefore f of x is continuous at x is equals to pi by 2. Okay. Continuous at x is equals to pi by 2. So x value pi by 2 is continuous. So when it is continuous means if this condition satisfies, limit x tends to pi by 2, f of x is equals to f of pi by 2. Okay. So continuous already told now the problem itself. So therefore limit x tends to pi by 2, f of x is equals to what? F of pi by 2. F of pi by 2 continuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? What is f of x? Here we have to consider this function. Okay, this function consider. Limit x tends to pi by 2. So k cos x divided by pi minus 2x is equals to f of pi by 2 is what? F of pi by 2 is pi by 2 at x is equals to pi by 2. What is the value? 3. So write down 3. Oh, okay. You have to find out the k value. How to find the k value? If you substitute pi by 2 here, pi by 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ, x value pi by 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ pi by 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 to cancel, pi minus pi becomes 0. Denominator is 0 means it is undefined case. You have to use some other method. Okay, ಬೇರೆ method ನ use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is the another method? So I will tell. Please listen. Okay. See. So what is another method means? I will drop this one. See. So let us consider x is equals to put x is equals to pi by 2 plus h. Already told now sin or cos related problems ಬಂದ್ರೆ so ಈ ತರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ already told. x is equals to pi by 2 plus h. Okay, c plus h ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? why we are considering pi by 2 only, sir? Why? Because this function is continuous at pi by 2 long. That's why c value is pi by 2. So therefore put x is equals to pi by 2 plus h. Okay. If ನೋಡಿ x tends to ಏನಿದೆ? x tends to pi by 2 no? If x tends to pi by 2, substitute x value pi by 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ. pi by 2 will cancel. H tends to what? 10. H tends to 0. H tends to what? 0. So this is very important. If you know this concept well means this problem will be very easy. Why? Because these two steps are very easy. You know this formula well. Limit x tends to pi by 2, f of x is equals to f of pi by 2. You know this formula well. Okay. Substitute f of x value here and this value here. Okay. How to simplify this? Limit x tends to pi by 2 will becomes what? H tends to 0. H tends to 0 and k cos x. K write down same only. K cos x. Cos of x value pi by 2 plus h now. Pi by 2 plus h divided by pi minus 2x. Pi minus 2x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ pi minus 2 into pi pi by 2 plus h is equals to 3. Is equals to 3. Okay na? Simplify it. So limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. K cos 90 plus theta. Which quadrant? Third, second quadrant now. Pi by 2 means 90. 90 plus theta. 90 plus h. Second quadrant. Second quadrant cos negative now. So therefore take a negative value. Okay. So therefore negative. So minus sin h. So this is the answer for this one. Cos pi by 2 plus h is equals to minus sin h. Whole divided by minus h. Now simplify ಮಾಡಿದರೆ so 5 minus 2 into pi by 2. 2 will cancel pi minus pi minus 2 into h minus 2h. Minus 2 into h to h. So write down minus 2h. Minus 2h is equals to 3. Okay. So this one. So here this minus minus will cancel now. Cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. K by 2 no common ತೆಗಿಬೇಡಿ. K by 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin h by h is equals to 3. Sin h by h is equals to 3. Okay. So formula is there. What is the value of this one? This value is 1. Already told. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x is equals to 1. Already told in first PUC. Okay. So here x tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. Sin h by h is equals to what? 1. Answer is 1. So therefore k by 2. See here k by 2 no k by 2. So k by 2 into 1. So limit h tends to 0 sin h by h is what? 1 is equals to 3. So therefore k is equals to what? 2 3 is 6. K is equals to 6. So k is equals to 6. This is very important. So many times asked for the 4 marks question. This question. Okay. This question is very important. Okay. So many times asked. Why? Because some difficulty is there here. We have to know this concept well. X is equals to pi by 2 plus h. X tends to pi by 2, then h tends to 0. This is so we can directly write the answer here. Okay. So this is the procedure. What is the k value? K is equals to 6. Okay. See next question number 27. This is also very important. These are very important for the 4 marks questions. Okay. So f of x is equals to kx square if x less than or equals to 2. 3 if x greater than 2 is continuous at x is equals to 2. Continuous at x is equals to 2. See how to do this one. See continuous at x is equals to 2. F of x is continuous at x is equals to 2. F of x is continuous at x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 at the continuous aಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು. Okay. So here we can write limit x tends to so otherwise LHL RHL ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. So therefore LHL is equals to RHL. ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಾ? LHL is equals to RHL. So why? Because here 2 is there, so that's why we are using this one. Is equals to not equals to is there, we have to use first formula. LHL, what is LHL? Tell me. Limit x tends to 2.2 minus f of x. Okay. Limit x tends to 2 minus LHL f of x is equals to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. 2 plus f of x. Okay. F of x substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. Limit x tends to 2 plus 2 minus. 2 minus means what? 2 minus ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ less than 2. Less than 2. X less than 2. X less than 2 is kx square. So write down kx square. Kx square is equals to. Okay. Limit x tends to 2. 2 plus means what? Greater than 2, greater than x greater than 2. So we have to use this function. So 3. Okay, over. Next. Simplify this question. Let's see that. So we should the true value here. K into x 2 square is equals to constant function 3, right? Of same. So what is answer? So k into 4k. So 4k is equals to 3. K is equals to what? 3/4. 3/4. So very easy and easy to score 4 marks. Very easy problem. STJ continuous the way LHL RHL plays. Is equals to not equals to is there, use first formula. Limit x tends to that point is equals to f of that point. Okay, pi by 2 is not way. Limit x tends to pi by 2, f of x is equals to f of pi by 2 already used by because the question is like this. Okay, not equals to is equals to is there. Next coming 4 problems will be doing like this only. Very easy. Only 4 or 5 steps now. Very easy to score the marks. See next question number 28. Question number 28. So f of x is equals to kx plus 1 if x less than or equals to pi cos x if x greater than pi is continuous at x is equals to pi. Is continuous at x is equals to pi. Adre you have to find the k value. Okay. So how to find the k value? Continuous given now. First write down that one. Okay. Write down the continuous function. So f of x is continuous at x is equals to pi. F of x is continuous at x is equals to pi. So what is the condition? LHL. Left hand limit is equals to right hand limit is equals to f of pi also you can write. So 2 values enough. Okay. Tell me what is the limit x tends to find pi minus f of x is equals to limit x tends to pi plus f of x. Okay, pi plus f of x. Substitute the f of x function. Limit x tends to pi minus. What is the meaning of pi minus? Less than pi, x less than pi. So you have to use this function. So therefore kx plus 1 is equals to, okay, is equals to. So limit x tends to pi plus. What is the meaning of pi plus? Greater than pi, x greater than pi. No cos x. Okay, substitute pi value k into x square pi k pi plus 1 is equals to k pi plus 1 is equals to cos pi. Okay, cos pi. Substitute, calculate the value. K pi is equals to cos pi value is well known now, minus 1. Cos pi minus 1. So this one plus 1 is there now. So it will become minus 1. Okay. K pi is equals to minus 2. K pi is equals to minus 1 minus 1. Addition. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So k is equals to minus 2 by pi. So this is very important. This is also one of the important question. So 2 to 3 times given for the main examination. So 4 marks question. Very easy. STJ again. Substitute ಮಾಡೋದು. LHL minus 1 less than RHL pi plus means greater than pi. Use the two functions, substitute the value and calculate the k value. That's it. Okay. Very easy problems. Next we'll move to the next problem. Okay. Question number next 28 is over now. Next 29. So here next question number 29, same related problems. So f of x is equals to kx plus 1 if x less than or equals to 5, 3x minus 5 if x greater than 5 is continuous at x is equals to 5, is continuous at x is equals to 5. 5 hatra continuous ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay na? How to prove this one? See. So first condition, what is the first condition? f of x is continuous at x is equals to 5. F of x is continuous at x is equals to 5. Okay. What is the condition you have to use? LHL is equals to RHL. So therefore LHL is equals to RHL. LHL is equals to RHL. So what is LHL? Have to write limit x tends to 5 minus f of x is equals to, okay, RHL limit x tends to 5 plus f of x. Okay, substitute the values, f of x values. Okay, limit x tends to 5. What is the meaning of 5 minus? 5 minus is less than 5. So this is a less than 5. X less than 5. So kx plus 1. You have to use this function first. Kx plus 1 is equals to. Okay, next one. Limit x tends to 5. 5 plus. What is the meaning of 5 plus? Greater than 5. Greater than 5. X greater than 5. 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1. Okay, now substitute the values. 5 substitute 1. K into 5 plus 1 is equals to 3 into 5 minus 5. Okay, simplify this value. Simplify 1. Okay, now how to simplify value? Tell me. So 5k plus 1 is equals to 3 5s are 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5. So 5k plus 1 is equals to what? 10. 15 minus 5, 10. 5k is equals to what? 5k is equals to 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. K is equals to what? 9 by 5. Okay. So k value is 9 by 5. Okay, now. So this problem is also very important. So many times also. This is also one of the important questions. These 4 problems, another problem also there. I will tell in next class. Okay. So these 4 are very important, and first one told no, k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. That is very important questions. Okay. These 4 problems are very important questions for the 4 marks question for main examination. Okay. I have to learn these questions. So go through this one. This is the procedure. LHL is equals to RHL. So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts means please comment in this below video. Thank you.